Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we will learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of a project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, girls top, baby sweater and gents half sweater, full sweater. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 4 rows, repeat pattern cast on multiple of 4 plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 4 plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 14 stitches on my needle, 12 stitches, multiple of 4, 3 times 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12. And plus 2 edge stitches 14. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Now we first knit 4th stitch. This is 4th stitch. Knit this stitch. First we knit this 4th stitch. Take this loop some loose. Now knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Drop this 4th stitch. That's our repeat from here to here. First we knit 4th stitch and make some loose stitch. After that knit 3, 2, 3. This is 4 stitches pattern 2, 4. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So again first we knit 4th stitch. This is 1, 2, 3, 4th stitch. First we knit this 4th stitch. Make some loose stitch. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Now drop this 4th stitch. One more time. First we knit 4th stitch. Make some loose stitch and knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Drop this 4th stitch. Here we complete 3 times repeat pattern, last edge knit edge from right side. First row is complete. Now second row wrong side. In this row pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Now this is third row, right side. In this row, knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. Third row is complete. Now fourth row wrong side. Again pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects. So friend, if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.